Yeah, what's going on? So today's video is coming from a matter of crime. And the title of the video is Extremely Drunk Nursing Student Thinks She's Above the Law. Oh boy, sounds like a DUI to me. So let's get into it, man.
So, yes or no?
Yes or no? Do you want me to do back then? I'm sorry, if someone's drunk, can they do that? Probably not, right?
On October 17, 2021, a deputy from the Monroe County Sheriff's Office noticed a white Chevrolet moving at a significantly high speed and displaying reckless driving behavior. Following a traffic stop, when the officer approached the vehicle, they detected a pronounced smell of alcohol emanating from inside. Additionally, it was observed that the driver had red lipstick noticeably smeared across her face.
How we doing?
Good.
Good?
A lighter.
Why would I have a lighter?
You're an officer.
Okay, so why are we speeding?
What?
Have we had anything to drink today?
No.
No.
Our ex just left us. He's actually like en route.
Huh?
Our ex-boyfriend.
Okay. Your ex?
Kind of.
So how much have we had to drink today?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Oh yeah, she lying. The friend don't want to say nothing, okay? The friend don't want to say a peep, man. Look, she don't even know, the driver don't even know what she talking about, man. She talking about the axe is about to just left us or whatever. The axe? What? The X? What? What are you talking about?
So why are we speeding? I'm doing 45 and you're coming up on me like I'm standing still in a 35-mile-an-hour zone. You have your ID on you?
Of course I do. Do you want my passport or which one do you want? No attitude. No, I'm being honest. You want to call Katie? You want me to call Kevin? Or Tammy?
4113 code.
No, excuse me. Pardon me. I'm calling Diane Quinn. Actually,
I don't care who you're calling. Come on.
Don't touch my phone.
I'm gonna yank it out and I'm gonna yank you out if you don't come out on your own.
Just don't give me touch my shit.
Let's go.
Record him. Record him. I got it.
This side. She's refusing to come out.
I'm not refusing anything. Give me the cigarette. No, I want to smoke a cigarette. I'm fine. I'm actually
All right, put the cigarette down.
Can I please?
No, put the cigarette down.
Come on. Come on.
Please.
Man, we need to listen to him. Let's go.
Please.
All right, watch out.
Please.
Over here.
We're going to close the doors. Listen, ma'am, we're going over here, all right? Go with that deputy. I'm going to stay here. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
It look like she trying to flirt with him a little bit.
Right above here for me.
Shot. Actually, cops get shot, which sucks.
All right, so have we had anything to drink today?
No.
No? So why are you slurring?
Why am I slurring? Because my boyfriend actually jumped out of the car about 20 miles back. So if I'm a little bit upset, and I'm also in school for nursing,
4113 switching to.
homeschooling a child at the time, and my ex took 3 of my kids to Chicago.
411302 Florida deal.
Good for you. Go ahead, you can actually verify all that.
I know you're enjoying the video. I'm sorry that I had to interrupt, but I just wanted to tell you that we now have members only content. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell notification, and make sure you hit right here, join, right? We have supporter, gives you certain perks as far as emojis, badges, and stuff like that. Then we have early access, which is you have early access to the videos that will be coming up on the channel, plus whatever comes in the supporter package. And then you have VIP, which you get everything in the supporter package and in early access, but alongside members only live streams. You can join me on the live stream if you want. And we have exclusive, and I mean exclusive, members only videos. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you join the members only.
You want help?
No, I'm aware.
No, you're good. passport, Illinois. Floyd card's actually in my condo. Boyfriend never jumped out of the car. We might have been golden.
All right, do me a favor. Take your hat off for me.
Yeah.
All right, come on up over here so we're out of the road. All right, so like I told you when I drove up, you drove up on me like I was standing still. Talking to you inside the car, you got slurred speech.
I don't have slurred speech. You have to understand everything that I've been through, and 3 of my kids are in Chicago because my ex took them, and we have therapy. We actually have therapy.
Okay, well, I'm not here for that.
But you know what?
How
That
do you
don't
do
matter.
No worries. That's not your fucking problem.
Nope, it's not.
I get it.
So do me a favor. Go ahead and put your hands at your sides.
Do you want me to do a freaking backflip? I'll do that for you.
All right, so with your eyes and eyes only, what you can do is you're gonna keep an eye on this blue light. All right? So hands at your sides.
It's not even gonna happen.
Yeah, but he didn't even. If that's the one where they go like this and then up and down, he didn't even explain it properly, because he was supposed to explain that you're gonna follow with your eyes and your eyes only, and to not move your head. Did he say that? Maybe I'm bugging. Maybe he did say that, but I don't think he said that.
With your eyes and eyes only, what you can do is you're gonna keep an eye on this blue light.
Oh, he did say that. He did say
All right?
He did
So
say
hands
it.
at your sides.
It's not even gonna happen.
But also, why isn't he making her put her arms down to her side?
So how much have we had to drink tonight?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Actually, I have my prescription with my contacts if you want
Good.
to go check it out. Because that's actually a written doctor's note. So if you want to sit there, we can play that game.
All right, so where are we coming from?
Where am I coming from?
Copy, thank you.
My
Bye, come on.
aunt's house in Key West. She's a doctor.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and play this game. All right, so based on your driving pattern, well, not really, I didn't really have a driving pattern,
not
but
even
just
that. You have
that's
to
based on your,
understand
okay,
my
well, good.
boyfriend
I don't
jumps
care
out of
about
the
your
car.
boyfriend right now.
It doesn't
Based on
matter
your
because you're not
slurred
listening
speech,
to
I'm
anything.
thinking
You
you're
think
under
I'm
the
fighting with you. I
influence
don't
of
wanna fight
alcohol.
with you.
Good. I think
haven't
you're under the
drank.
influence of alcohol. Do you want to participate in field sobriety exercises?
No, I don't have to. Sorry,
Okay.
Chicago
Okay.
taught me better.
So she is the registered owner, not valid, sees tag, and a business purposes only. So she's coming from her aunt's house. She's not in business.
Yep.
Okay.
Can you just
No, I
please-
cannot. This is you wanted to play this game, so let's play. How much have we had to drink tonight?
Nothing.
Oh.
Do you want to take care of people that are robbing people?
Pair of
shooting up
people that are driving
houses,
drunk on my roads.
Shooting up houses out here, robbing people. You want to take care of those people?
I'm taking care of people that are driving
I
driving
mean,
crazy
you're
right now.
You're fucking making up your own story at this point.
Okay. So do you want to
Yeah, I'm on
participate in
BodyCam,
field
so
sobriety
thank
exercises?
God. I asked you for a
She
letter.
already
I would've
answered that.
cooperated with you. You have no idea what the hell we just
Okay,
been
I'm not
through.
here for what's going on.
In the past 25 minutes, you want to sit there and say I've been drinking. I will sit there and do handstands.
I don't care about your
in
handstands.
front
Do
of
you want to do field sobriety exercises? Yes
I
or
can
no?
do a false sobriety that you can't even fucking pass.
Okay, so do you want to do field sobriety exercises? Yes or no?
What do you want me to do?
It's a yes or no answer.
What do you want me to do?
Yes or no answer.
Answer my question.
Yeah, but she already answered that the first time you asked. The first time he asked, she said no. So why does he keep pressuring it?
No, you answer mine. That's not how this game works.
No, sir, that's not how it works.
Yes, that is exactly how this works. It's a yes or no answer. Do you wish to participate in field sobriety exercises?
I'm gonna call my grandpa.
So, yes or no?
Yes or no? Do you want me to do back then? I'm sorry, if someone's drunk, can they do that? Probably not, right?
So, yes or no?
Call my grandpa right now,
So, yes or no?
please.
Yeah, these you know, I don't know what's up with these cops, man. They got a lot of patience, bruh, because this would have been a wrap if I was the cop already. This would have been wrapped up, done. You said no, whatever. Okay, I feel like you're under the influence. Click, clack, you're going. That's it. I'm not gonna sit here and debate with you back and forth. We're not. This ain't that type of party. You know what I'm saying? These cops, they kind of soft, man. I don't know what's going on with these guys, man. Because what's happening here? Why are we debating with this person right here? Like, nah, like you out of here. Let's go.
Thank you.
Yes or no?
No, don't worry. Someone's about to show up.
All right, Aaron. So just based off you're coming up on me, you know, like I was standing still, your slurred speech, I believe you're under the influence of alcohol.
Not even slurred speech.
Okay.
It's a lot of other shit going on.
Really?
Like,
Your ex was an axe.
Like 3 of my kids are in Chicago.
All right. So just like we did before, what you're gonna do is you're gonna stand with your feet together, your hands at your sides. All right. So with your right index finger, it's gonna be this finger right here. You're gonna touch the top of this light. Touch the top of the light. All right, put your hand back down. Okay, the feet together and your hands at your sides. You're gonna follow this light that you just touched with your index finger. And without moving your head. Do you understand? All right, put your hand back down. All right, it's with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head. Follow this light with your eyes and your eyes only. Do you understand?
Yep.
Keep your head still.
She looks bomb.
That's what I'm just going through my mind.
Hands at your feet together and hands at your sides.
Yeah, give me a second. I need to do a backflip because I can do that. What do you want?
What
Stand
the
right there,
hell?
just like I told you, with the left foot on the line, your right foot in front.
Yeah, but you know what? Your tests don't even fucking measure. How about you
Okay,
have someone do
so do not
something
start until I
that-
tell you. Do you understand?
Do you want me to- Should we do black clock training camp?
Yeah, bro. I don't got that patience,
right.
boy. You be in handcuffs. You out of here. Let's go.
Are you ready for me to begin?
These guys are.
Okay, so right back to where you were with your left foot on the line, your right foot in front of it. When I tell you you're gonna take 9 heel to toe steps, you're gonna go all the way down. You're gonna count up to 9. When you get down to your 9th step, you're gonna take your lead foot.
Here we go.
Can you do me a favor? Just listen. Just stop what you're doing and listen.
Not being very verbal and what you want. What do you
I'm
want?
fixing to take her.
Why don't you actually show me what you want? And I will do
All
that.
right, come here. I got an easier one for you.
That I got an easier one for you.
Yes, yes,
What
yes.
you want? I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. Roxanne! I told you to show me what you want.
4113. Female on arrest for DUI. Do you have any guns, knives, hand grenades, explosives, and incendiary devices on you?
No, I got a black in my fucking seat, so you're lucky there.
You have a gun in the seat?
No, sir.
You just said you did.
I said I got a black in my safe. You're
Oh.
welcome.
You said seat.
Actually, from Sergeant Nick Whiteman,
Holy
but
shit,
you're
parts,
welcome.
Yeah, that's what I was.
Huh? No, go ahead. Go ahead.
Do you have any drugs on you?
Nope.
All right, so this is what I'm going to tell you. If you have any drugs or any illegal substances on you, but when we get to where we're going, if you have anything, there's going to be an introduction of contraband. Do you understand?
You know, honestly, this. I'm leaving this house. I hate this goddamn.
Despite multiple attempts by the deputy to give instructions, the suspect consistently disregarded them and kept walking the line.
Wait, why
This
is
le-
the wait? Why? Why is the mugshot photo so blurry, bro? They couldn't do a better job than what the hell is this?
To the discontinuation of the field sobriety test and her subsequent arrest for DUI. Following her arrest, she was transported to the Key West DUI room where she declined to submit a breath sample. A review of her criminal record uncovered a prior DUI arrest. She was subsequently sentenced to 12 months of probation.
Damn, she already had a DUI before? And she only got 12 months of probation? What? I'm telling you, I feel like when women get in trouble, the severity of the punishment is significantly less than if it was a man. 12 months probation for your second DUI? Like, what? That doesn't even make sense.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.